Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can move your Sims from a save file to another saved file. So I'm just going to go to manage worlds here first. And I'm going to go to this, for instance. I'm going to select more and I'm going to select the manage household. I'm then going to select edit and remove Sims and stuff like that. I'm just going to select edit. Then I'm going to select the save household. I've already done that, so I'm just going to select save household and I'll select the play. These are all the managed households I have. You can also do the same thing with the house here. So let me just press play first. And you're going to go to the build button to save the house. It's not done yet, but you just save the house even if it's not finished. Just waiting for the game to load. Again, it's going to take a few minutes because I have my Sims again in my hard disk. I need more space in my SSD, to be honest, but I'll deal with that later. Here, go to the build mode and you are going to select save to my library. Then once you're done, you're going to select exit to main menu. Just select save and exit. And once you're done, you're going to go to your other saved file. So I'm just going to select load game. I'll go and play this one. And then to add them into a house or a lot in the save game, I'm going to select open the gallery. Select the include custom content because I did use a lot, but if you didn't, it should be there. Select the character and then you're going to select place household and you're going to select either a lot or a house. Make sure you have enough money. Same thing with the house. Go to the open gallery. This is the house that I saved. I can just go place a household. I can't now because I'm placing this person. Let me just exit. And then here again, do the same thing, place lot. Maybe here. And then press confirm. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!